How much does your Medicare plan cost? That may sound like a silly question, but I'm going to give you a little bit different perspective on things that might just open your eyes. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. All right, let me first give you an analogy. Somebody gets a new car and they say, well, what do you think about it? And then the other person says, well, I don't know. It looks pretty nice, but how much did it cost you? Oh, it's not that much. It's only $400 a month. Okay, well, I guess I could afford that if I wanted to. They never tell you how much. They never tell you that it's $400 a month for the next 6 years. That's a lot of money. So, they just don't think everybody thinks in terms of monthly premium, monthly payment. Same thing with Medicare. Ask people, how much does your Medicare cost? Well, I don't pay anything. Or I only pay $20 a month. It's not bad. It's pretty good coverage, though. How good can coverage be if you don't pay anything for it, huh? You got to think about that. The problem is most people look at everything in life in terms of monthly payments. And they don't bother to look at the other side of it. How much is it going to cost you over the long run? How much is it going to cost you in the case of Medicare plans? How much is it going to cost you when you get sick? Are you going to be able to go to any doctor, any hospital, or can you only go to certain ones? And they may not be the best ones for your particular condition. So there's a lot of things to consider that most people don't think about because they're only focused on the monthly premium. That's probably the wrong way to go, and you're going to wake up someday and discover, I probably should have done something else, and by then it's too late to make a change. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. You take care. Have a great day.